All right, back again, and I've started on the saucer and the neck for the saucer. I removed most of the paint off the neck. It doesn't look great. I got a little bit more scraping and sanding to do, and I've started on the saucer. I'm sure you can see that that's removed, and basically for doing the detail lines, I'm using this particular X-Acto knife, and what I'm doing is I'm using the back side of it, and actually is doing a really good job. So basically, just by starting there and slowly going down, and it seems to pull out the paint really well and redefine the lines. And so this is my process for reacquiring the detail on the saucer section. If you use something like this carving knife, and it does do a good job too, but sometimes it goes too deep. You pretty much have to use the sharp side. Actually using the dull side on this is doing a better job. And I suppose, hopefully I won't mess this up, but if you wanted to more redefine it, you can go in here with this. This file. And really set it, really put in those lines again. So anyway, that's what I'm doing, and when I come back, I probably have all the paint removed on this, and then after that, I'll make sure all the detail is cleaned. That'll be another separate clip added to this. And then it will probably be the end of this particular video, because the next one will be the actual painting. All right, catch you in a little bit. All right, YouTube. I've removed the bulk of the paint on all the model. There's just little detail areas that are left, and so it's the finer work. I'll probably include that in the finer work in the prep for the painting and painting video, or videos. I don't know how many that's going to be. The removal of the paint videos is probably going to be a 2-part series, maybe 3. Some of the video clips turned out to be a little longer than I thought. But anyway, it is a possible thing to do, okay? That's the whole sort of moral of the story, well, one of the morals of the story. Don't think just because you've messed up badly that you can't fix something. Don't give up on it. So, yeah, it's not impossible. Work at it, and you can have a model to work with again. So, it's also could be helpful to possibly with parents working with children who are, kids or youth or whatever term you like to use, who are starting to work on models, in case they overdo something on an area and it's really bad, and you don't know what to do. This would be the thing to do. Now, this works so well because I use acrylic paints. I'm not an enamel paint user anymore, so that is also a large factor in why this worked. If I was an enamel paint person, removing the paint would have been a lot harder. I would have needed stronger paint thinner, and it probably would have ate at the plastic. really bad, and the model would have been destroyed. So I highly recommend that even if you don't have an airbrush system to do acrylic paints, just remember to water them down a little bit so they don't go on too thick. And it works really well. So I'm going to call that the end of this paint removal series. And like I said, when I catch you all again on this, it'll be the time to start getting ready to paint it. So, all right, thank you for watching. Don't forget to click, like, subscribe, comment, and ring the notification bell. I'll keep these videos coming as long as people keep watching. Later, YouTube.